Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by validating prerequisites so the process moves smoothly. Check system specs and make sure you have admin access and your license key. This prevents permission errors. Once done, open the check software and select the correct environment, production, or test, because running in the wrong context causes data issues. Make sure your backup exists before proceeding. It's a fast safeguard. Now navigate to the main dashboard and locate the checks module to start creating or importing check templates. You'll now configure the core workflow. Pick or build the check template and set validation rules and thresholds so the system knows what to flag. Then map your account and routing fields precisely. Mismatches cause failed transactions. Once mappings are set, schedule frequency and batching options. Run a dry run or small test batch to observe behavior and capture logs, because that reveals data or format errors early. Review validation reports and adjust templates or mappings until tests pass consistently. You finish by approving the live run and closely monitoring the processing queue to confirm checks complete. Reconcile outcomes and export or archive batch reports for audits. This preserves traceability. Make sure audit controls and notifications are active so anomalies trigger alerts. If something goes wrong, first stop new batches, then check the error logs, user permissions, and data format. Those cause most failures. Fix the underlying mapping or threshold, reprocess the affected items, and validate results before resuming normal operations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.